This week I'm testing the brand new Kia E-Niro. It's a fully electric 5-seat SUV, and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Number 1, it's going to fit 3 child seats in the back of the E-Niro, which is fantastic. Number 2 is the boot is a really practical size. You can get a big twin stroller in here and 2 shopping bags, and it's very deep. Number 3 is the fact it's fully electric and it's really nice to drive. It's really lovely and quiet in here and spacious. I've loved my sneaky peek at the E-Niro today, and I'm looking forward to driving the PHEV model in a few weeks' time, so look out on the website for the full review.